Whew. Alright, what's up, squids? I had to make a little pit stop there because for some reason when I ended the last video, my camera just turned off. I'm not sure what happened. So, I'm back. I am back and I'm gonna take you on a little trip down memory lane, and I'm gonna go to one of my favorite places. I literally just stalled this fucking thing. Okay. Well, that's embarrassing. I'm glad I got it on video. Alright, anyway, I'm going to take you on a trip down memory lane. And we're going to go to my favorite place. Well, one of my favorite places to ride to. And one of like my top 3 favorite places to park, take pictures, stuff like that. Excuse me. And I'll just tell you what it is. It's Norris Dam. Anyway, it's the Clinch River. I've been down here fishing with my father several times over the years, and ooh, I can feel the coolness off the water already, and I'm not even there yet. It's going to be very pretty, but one cool thing that I'm going to try to do when I get back home and throw this video together is I'm going to edit in footage that I took from my first motorcycle, my Ninja 650, and I'm going to put it in with this video because I'm going to go to the exact same places and do the exact same thing, and I'm going to like chop it up to where you got like current day, and then, you know, like, I don't know, a decade ago or whatever it was, 15 years ago. I guess it was like, yeah, like 15 years ago. Wow. Anyway, so yeah, it's the Clinch River. It's beautiful. People float it, they fish it, they fly fish it. Very cool. They've done some construction in certain little areas I'll show you, but overall it's a beautiful place. The Norris Dam is very pretty, very cool place to go to and look at if you've never seen it. They got little places where you can like rent cabins and stuff here and go sightseeing. They got trails, stuff like that. Very cool, very cool. So it's just another little random ride video. This is a cool little church here. I've taken plenty of pictures of my motorcycles over the years in front of that little church, but I'm not going to stop there now. I'm going to pull over up here first, and hopefully the person behind me doesn't run me over. I got 2 cars sort of on my ass a little bit. Oh. All right, so this is where you pull in. You can see there, you let the put your kayaks in and stuff. We fished here on the bank. Surprisingly enough, from one side to the other, it's only about shin high. Families enjoying their time together, fishing, kayaking, floating. Anyway, back there in the parking spots, they fixed that up and extended it. They put in bathrooms here, as you can see. But yeah, a lot of folks bring their boats in. That's where they put in at, and they'll ride from here all the way up to the dam, which is, I'll be going there as well in this video too. I'm going to ride down this way because I know for sure it's sticking in my mind a place that I rode to on my last bike. And, well, I want to get it on video, so. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is it. This is it. All right, this is the bridge. It's not that the bridge is special. It's that the footage I'm going to collab together is special. Special for me. It brings back memories. But let's pull over here, because that was the point. Like so. cool. So that guy's in a, I think they call it a drift boat. It's got the high front. So that's pretty cool. Let's go on this side. I don't think those guys want to be looked at. Trying to fish, man. Whoa. I mean, you can see the bottom. I mentioned this earlier, but from side to side, this, unless they've been running a lot of water, you can go from one side to the other and it never get above your knee. So I left the Miller Island area and now we're headed up to the actual dam. And they got a lower parking lot and an upper parking lot, which is like a lookout point, which I love. And that's ultimately the ultimate goal of today's adventure, is to get to the lookout point, because that's my favorite. Also, real quick, randomly I just hit top speed on my Grom. I hit 60 miles an hour, which is the fastest this thing has been with me on it. Okay, so I'm going to pull off here. The first place I'm going to stop at, or not, I don't know if I'll stop. Maybe I will. This is going to be the lower parking lot. I gotta be honest, this is a little bumpy. They could probably repave this. There it is. So that's Norris Dam. I need to stop and get a picture too, because I haven't gotten a picture yet of this little bike with the dam in the background. Normally I do that with all my motorcycles. Any motorcycle I've ever had, I've always ridden it up here and taken pictures of it. That's the lookout point up top, which I really like. Pull up right here, out of the way so people can still get around us. Oh. Okay, well, I stand corrected. It's actually not churning over there, despite them letting water out. Turn this up. Okay. Yeah, it's not as vicious as I thought. Looks like there's fixing to be a monster come up over there. Huh. All right, cool. Let's get a picture real quick. Okay. All right. Next stop is going to be up there. You still got your signal on. Oh, they're old. Go figure. Jesus. Riding around with your signal on like that. That's known as an eventual left. Yeah, listen to that power. Oh, shit. Man, I've made all kinds of mistakes today, I tell you. That one was particularly embarrassing because That mistake was, I put my foot down when I was taking off there. Not a big deal, but it was in front of someone, so of course it's more embarrassing. Oh, another biker. What's up, dude? Hey, he gave me the wave. Awesome. Didn't care I'm on a mini moto. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's how you're supposed to be with your biker buddies, with your fellow bikers. Hey, there's a... Oh, I have to admit, I don't like the... I do not like the Can-Am Spider, whatever the fuck it's called. That trike, but it's like a reverse trike. It's got the two wheels in the front. I'm not a fan of that.